If you've ever wanted a water feature in your garden but didn't know how to start it off, thought maybe you didn't have enough space, you needed a big pond, then this is for you. And a big thank you to the Poposoap team for very kindly sending out to me the solar powered water feature to try out and share with you today. It really is as simple as finding your favourite water vessel. You can have a big pond, maybe you want a sort of bucket style, and this is actually a bird bath. All you need to do is fill up with water and grab your Poposoap kit. Now in the box, you're going to get absolutely everything you need to get yourself started. You have got some instructions here for you if you need them. You've got your main pump here, which comes complete with filters. The tubing, which is really great that this is clear, because I've had some before in the past where they've been black and you couldn't see when there were blockages. So it's really great that this is clear. You also get your solar panel, because you do not need electric for this. It's all done by solar power, which is absolutely fantastic, which means you can move this around anywhere you want in the garden and just keep moving and repurposing it. And the fun part, these are the various heads to give you all different sprinkly effects. So you're going to find something that you absolutely love. And inside the filter pump, you've got your actual pump itself, and you've got some ceramic beads as well. This is going to help it keep weighted down. Now you can use this kit in two different ways. You can use it with the sprinkler heads here, so the water comes out here into your lovely little fountain, or you can put your tube in there and use it to create a really exciting water feature. Maybe something cascading with a little bit of height. But for today, I'm just going to use this. So we've got the unit here, I've got the extender to give it a little height, and I've also got the adapter. But before I put the adapter on, let's just take a look and see what it's like without it. I've made sure the filter box is fully submerged so the water can go in, and now I'm going to attach it to the solar panel. Super easy, just like that. No electric required. Already we've got some sprinkles coming off, and that's a really nice, it is not super sunny yet, and already we've got a really nice gentle trickle. That's absolutely lovely. Just so you know, for the back of your solar panel you have got one of these, so you can stake it into the ground. And we've got that lovely gentle trickle there, that is without any sort of filter caps on. But I've got these here. Let's see what fun we can have with these little caps. Number one, I think this is going to be pretty exciting. Wow, look at that. Imagine if you had a nice big pond. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, but you don't need one. A bucket will be absolutely fine. Let's try a smaller one. Whoa, that one is much more direct and upwards. Really pretty. Absolutely love it. And lastly, I'm going to try this one. Again, absolutely amazing. Look at the strength. That's purely from solar power, no electric, which is really impressive. I think this would be lovely for a balcony or a very small garden. Really, really relaxing. Just this gentle sound. It's kind of like a river or a stream. I really like it. All of them are absolutely fabulous. I think the bigger ones would be really great in the middle of a pond. I think this one's just really nice for a small water feature in your garden like this.